Hello, how are you? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to draw Kraken Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. First, I will start by drawing a curved line for the cap. Next, inside we draw a curved line for the face joining both sides. And we join it with a horizontal line. Now exactly in the middle, we make a vertical line to divide the legs. Perfect. We finished drawing Kraken Kid from Roblox, and if you want, you can color it. Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you'd like me to draw a character, feel free to leave it in the comments. I send my best regards to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.